The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a significant advancement in action camera technology, offering a substantial upgrade from its predecessor, the Ace 2. Key enhancements include a higher resolution sensor capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and detailed footage. Additionally, the Pro 2 features advanced image stabilization technology, providing exceptional stability even in the most demanding conditions. This allows for effortless shooting on the go without worrying about shaky footage. Furthermore, the Pro 2's improved battery life enables extended recording sessions, ensuring you can capture every moment of your adventures without interruption. These upgrades, combined with the Ace 2's already impressive features, make the Pro 2 a compelling choice for action sports enthusiasts, vloggers, and content creators seeking the best in portable video capture. Key features of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The Ace Pro 2 boasts a larger 1.3-inch 50-megapixel sensor, a significant improvement over its predecessor. This enhanced sensor captures stunning visuals even in low-light conditions, making it a versatile tool for capturing breathtaking shots in various environments. The wider 157-degree field of view further expands the camera's capabilities, allowing you to capture more of the action. Whether you're vlogging or engaging in action sports, the Ace Pro 2's wider field of view ensures that you never miss a moment. Another notable upgrade in the Ace Pro 2 is the introduction of the new Pro Imaging chip. This chip delivers faster processing speeds, improving image quality and smoother video footage. The 4K 60p active HDR feature ensures exceptional video quality, even in challenging lighting scenarios, making it ideal for capturing dynamic and visually appealing content. Additionally, the Pure Video feature offers flexibility in choosing between 16:9 and 4:3 aspect ratios, allowing you to tailor your content to specific platforms and preferences. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is poised to revolutionize the content creation landscape with its innovative features. At the heart of this action camera is the groundbreaking Memories album, which automatically organizes and categorizes your photos and videos into distinct categories. This intelligent feature eliminates the hassle of manually sorting through your media library, allowing you to effortlessly find and share your most cherished moments. In addition to the impressive Memories album, the Ace Pro 2 boasts upgraded audio hardware that delivers superior video sound quality. This enhancement ensures that your content captures the full richness and depth of sound, adding an immersive dimension to your storytelling. Whether you're vlogging, capturing sports action, or documenting your travels, the Ace Pro 2's audio capabilities will elevate your content to new heights. While the specific release date for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 remains undisclosed, anticipation is building as the launch draws near. Stay tuned for official announcements as more details about the availability and pricing of this exciting new action camera emerge. Are you eager to experience the innovative features offered by the Insta360 Ace Pro 2? Share your thoughts and excitement in the comments below.